Hello my friend, now we will learn how we can create a awesome virus for kidding, sure for kidding. Simply to create a simple virus in Windows 10, we should first go to this PC icon. Okay, select view. You should to check first file name extension. Okay, now all file extension will appear. Now go back to desktop, then right click new and create a text document. Okay, as you can see, the text document have a extension .txt. Okay, my friend, look, when we check this box, view, as you can see, the extension will disappear. Now file name extensions, when we check, the extension will appear again. Okay, now in this text document, open. Okay, type this command. Then first type at echo space off. That's mean all command in this cmd file you will create will not appear, will be hidden. Okay, enter. Now type 2.a as a method, enter. Now type your command, as example start www.google.com. also we can add another website or another command. I will add another website, start www.yahoo.com. okay, here we want to create a loop, infinite loop. Type goto again a. Okay, this method will do this command, start google.com and start yahoo.com, and then do again and again and again with infinite loop. Okay, when you finish, click file, save. Okay, now we should to change the extension of this text document file to batch file, B80. okay, yes, now we have a batch file, have this command. If you want to edit this batch file, simply right click to this file and then click edit to edit this command. Okay, now when run this file, this command will run automatically. Okay, I will test this file, double click. As you can see, the command, the batch file run and open all websites in infinite loop. I want to stop this file, so close the batch file to stop the infinite opened for this website. Okay. My friend, this file to be more interesting or attractive, go to copy or cut this file to C drive. Okay, then create a shortcut for this file to desktop. Now rename this file to music, some music name if you want, like a Trojan. Now go right click properties and change the icon for this file. Okay, change icon. Okay, I will select some interesting one. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we have a music file. Anyone go and use this PC, probably use this file, and when use this file or open this file, the loop begin for infinite way. Simply guys, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.